The Bird of Happiness. Igor lived with his parents in a small wooden house in the forest. His family was very hard, but they loved each other very much. His father was uncooked and his mother made clothes for people in the city. In summer, Igor listened to the song of the birds in the forest. In winter, the forest became quiet because the birds went the warmer place. One winter, Igor became very sick and stayed in the bed for many days. The doctor visited Jean, but she could not find a cure for the illness. Igor felt weaker and sadder every day. He missed the sound of the birds and asked his father for one. Because there were no birds in winter, his father decided to make a wooden bear. He worked all night to make it as beautiful as possible. Then the young hip above Igor's bed. Every day Igor looked and the bears entreated to touch it. His fire moved the bears a little higher every night to motivate him. Little by little Igor became stronger and starting to much more. After some days, Igor stood up on the bed and touched the bears. He felt happy again and starting to laugh. He recovered his energy and stopped feeling sick. His fire called in the bears of happiness. Thank you very much.